Elon Musk is suing OpenAI for breach of contract. The billionaire entrepreneur says the US firm is now putting profit before its founding principle of developing AI responsibly.
OpenAI, you seem somewhat frustrated with them. You were one of the big contributors early on.
The reason I am the reason OpenAI exists.
He says that only in the lawsuit that only OpenAI knows what's in this ChatGPT 4, and they suspect Microsoft does too.
Elon Musk versus ChatGPT. Why is Elon Musk suing ChatGPT? Elon Musk, the tech visionary known for pushing boundaries with Tesla and SpaceX, has ignited a firestorm in the world of artificial intelligence with his lawsuit against OpenAI, the creators of the popular language model ChatGPT. This isn't your typical corporate squabble. It's a clash of ideologies that could shape the future of AI for generations to come. Hey everyone, and welcome today. We're diving into the tech world's hottest lawsuit, Elon Musk vs. OpenAI. It's a clash of titans over the future of artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because things are about to get, well, pretty interesting.
Suddenly it's like a $90 billion for-profit corporation with closed source. I don't know how you go from here to there. That seems like I don't know how you get, I don't know, is this legal?
Why is Musk up in arms? Certainly. Elon Musk's involvement in OpenAI dates back to its founding in 2015, where he served as a co-founder and early backer. At its inception, OpenAI operated as a non-profit organization with a noble mission: to develop safe and beneficial artificial intelligence, AI, for the betterment of humanity. One of the fundamental principles of OpenAI's approach was its commitment to open-source research. This meant that the organization made its research findings and developments publicly available, allowing anyone to contribute to the advancement of AI technology and identify potential risks before they could become significant problems. Elon Musk's vision for OpenAI was aligned with this ethos of openness and collaboration. He believed that by democratizing access to AI research and fostering a collaborative environment, the global community could collectively work towards the development of safe and beneficial AI technologies. However, over time, tensions began to emerge within OpenAI regarding the balance between openness and proprietary interests. As AI technology advanced and the potential applications became more commercially valuable, questions arose about how to navigate the intersection of open-source principles and intellectual property rights. These tensions came to a head when Musk observed instances where ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, was generating content that appeared to disclose sensitive information about Tesla and SpaceX projects. Despite Musk's concerns and efforts to address the issue with OpenAI, including urging them to implement stricter controls, the problem persisted. For Musk, the situation represented a betrayal of the original vision for OpenAI as a collaborative and transparent entity dedicated to the responsible development of AI. The unauthorized disclosure of proprietary information not only undermined the integrity of Tesla and SpaceX's research and development efforts, but also raised broader questions about the risks associated with open-source approaches to AI. As a result, Musk found himself at odds with OpenAI, ultimately leading to the decision to pursue legal action to protect the intellectual property of his companies and uphold the principles of innovation and integrity in the tech industry.
The law is pretty unclear in the sense of, can you sue a nonprofit for becoming a for-profit? But as Musk said, hey, wait a minute, if this can happen, anybody can do it.
The partnership that sparked the lawsuit. In 2019, OpenAI's decision to partner with Microsoft in a multi-billion-dollar deal stirred significant controversy, particularly in the eyes of Elon Musk. This partnership, in Musk's view, marked a profound shift in OpenAI's trajectory, fundamentally altering its status from a champion of public good to what he perceives as a de facto subsidiary of Microsoft. There are several key points illustrating Musk's perspective on the partnership and its implications. Mission drift. Musk contends that OpenAI's decision to enter into a lucrative partnership with Microsoft represented a departure from its original mission. Founded on principles of openness and altruism, OpenAI was initially positioned as a nonprofit organization committed to the development of AI for the benefit of humanity. However, the partnership with Microsoft signaled a strategic pivot towards commercial interests and financial gain. Corporate influence. Musk suggests that the partnership with Microsoft introduced significant corporate influence into OpenAI's operations. With Microsoft's substantial investment and support, OpenAI became increasingly entangled with the interests and priorities of a major tech corporation. This, Musk argues, compromised OpenAI's autonomy and independence, potentially undermining its ability to prioritize public welfare over profit. Concerns for openness. Musk's critique extends beyond the financial aspects of the partnership to encompass broader concerns about the impact on openness and accessibility in AI research. He suggests that the alignment with Microsoft may have narrowed the scope of OpenAI's engagement with the broader research community, potentially limiting opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing. Let's take a look at what some experts are saying about the potential impact of this lawsuit on the future of AI development. Here's a recent snippet from a BBC News report.
I do worry that when we think about the future of AI in 3 or 5 years' time, it's quite possible that with the amount of compute required and the amount of energy required to run that compute, that it's only going to be perhaps a very small number of systemically important companies, maybe even working with governments, that will be capable of operating at the cutting edge. That will require a much more assertive governance if that's where the technology goes.
Musk's concerns: profit versus progress. Elon Musk's concerns about the shift in OpenAI's focus from a nonprofit champion of public good to a corporate entity driven by profit are multifaceted and reflect broader anxieties about the direction of AI development. Let's explore each of his concerns in detail. Closed-door development. Musk worries that as OpenAI aligns more closely with corporate interests, its research and developments may become proprietary, leading to closed-door development practices. This could hinder collaboration within the AI research community and limit the sharing of knowledge and advancements. In an industry where collaboration and open exchange of ideas have historically driven progress, the transition to proprietary research could slow down innovation and lead to fragmented efforts. Profit motive. The shift towards a profit-driven model raises concerns that OpenAI, under pressure to generate returns for its investors, might prioritize the commercialization of AI technologies over ensuring their safety and ethical implications. Musk fears that this profit motive could incentivize rushing out AI technology before it's adequately tested and deemed safe. Rushing AI deployment without thorough testing could lead to unintended consequences, including safety risks and ethical dilemmas. Is Musk right? A debate rages on. The lawsuit has ignited a heated debate. OpenAI angrily denies the allegations and claims they remain committed to safe and beneficial AI. They've even released emails suggesting Musk might have desired more control over the organization, which he refutes. Musk asserts that OpenAI's AI model, ChatGPT, has leaked sensitive information about Tesla and SpaceX projects, constituting an infringement of intellectual property rights. He argues that such disclosures undermine the competitive advantage and innovation efforts of his companies. OpenAI furiously denies Musk's allegations, emphasizing its commitment to the responsible and ethical development of AI for the betterment of society. The organization contends that any inadvertent disclosures by ChatGPT do not reflect a systemic failure, but rather isolated incidents that it strives to address through rigorous safeguards and protocols. The debate highlights the complexities of navigating intellectual property rights in collaborative environments, particularly in the context of open-source research initiatives like OpenAI. Balancing the benefits of collaboration and knowledge sharing with the need to protect proprietary information poses significant challenges. The stakes are high, shaping the future of AI. The outcome of Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI carries immense implications, stretching beyond the courtroom. It symbolizes a battle between two divergent visions for AI's future, one emphasizing collaboration, transparency, and safety, and the other driven by profit motives. This verdict will determine whether AI prioritizes societal benefit or commercial gain. Regardless of the legal outcome, the conversation sparked by this lawsuit will shape ongoing discussions about the ethical development of AI, ensuring it serves humanity's best interests. So, is Elon Musk right? Will AI be open and collaborative, or become a profit-driven machine?
Hit that like button, subscribe for more enriching content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing,